So this example is asking us to solve the inequality. 3x minus 5 times x plus 2 is less than 9. Now, the first thing you should remember is what you need to remember for solving inequalities, which is whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, the inequality switches direction. So that really should be in your head the entire time you're doing this problem. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to start off. The first thing we need to do is get rid of the parentheses, and we're going to do that by distributing the negative 5 to the parentheses. So we get 3x minus 5x minus 10 is less than 9. So we're going to combine like terms. 3x minus 5x is negative 2x minus 10 is less than 9. Perfect. So now all of our x's are on one side at this point. So we're going to just add the 10 to both sides so that we can get x by itself. And we get negative 2x is less than 19. And the last thing we need to do is we need to divide both sides by negative 2. Now, the left-hand side gives me x. The right-hand side gives me negative 19 over 2. But again, as I said before, if you divide by a negative number, which is what we did, the inequality switches and it goes from being less than to being greater than. So x is greater than negative 19 over 2. So now most of these problems want you to graph as well. And the question I often get is, how do I graph negative 19 over 2? Well, it's really just a sketch, so we know it's negative, which means it has to be to the left of 0. Since it's greater than, strictly greater than, we're dealing with an open circle, and it's greater than, and so we draw this arrow to the left, and we are done.